What is going on, chat? Back with some more from the rain. We are getting the good ending today. That is a fact. I know what I need to do. Last episode, which you guys are never going to see because it was unproductive. I did nothing in it. I played for an hour. Literally did not accomplish anything. I was running around like an idiot. But now I know what I need to do. We need to go into hour 4 and beat it. And then we need to go to hour 5 and you'll see. But let's just get right to it. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Who do we appreciate? You know what I'm saying? Let's get cranking. So I'm jacking. I can't tell you what we did. Yellow 7. Na 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 green 2. You guys bumped that Pink Panthers Ice Spice? I know you did. That shit's fire, right? Da 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 na 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 na. Well, that's Pain. That's not the Pink Panthers Ice Spice. Da na 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 da da na 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 na. I'm gonna get copyrighted. All right. Start closing shit, keeping everybody out the crib, and I will show you guys how to get the good ending right now. Hey. Stop! I'm jacking. It's always the first ones, like the kitchens. Maybe I guessed it? Did I guess it? I didn't even look up that one, so hopefully I guessed it. Nope, didn't guess it. Okay. So, when he complains about the ringing, right? If you remember when the first dude called me, he was like, don't answer any other phone calls. Come over here, grab this key, and just don't touch the phone at all, right? If you look, there's like a wire, right? Follow the wire up and through here into this locked cabinet where you could turn off the... So I didn't answer a single call, right? So now, when we go sit next to this generator over here, this might be a pain to complete, but we'll try it. Continue to level 6. See? A new button has appeared on the hours menu. Continue, right? So this is where you get the good ending. And
I am convinced that the government is actually under control. I don't know who this guy is, but my only option is to trust him.
so we don't fuck with the government. And
Hello?
this guy.
Alright. I should be safe to talk here. I was able to find a way to communicate to you through your speakers in your phone. I trust that you haven't answered any of the government's phone calls. Here's the thing. You can't trust them. To be blunt, they are lying to you. They will kill you. If you want to survive and possibly see Jace again, you have to listen to my instructions closely. I need you to gather a list of items in order to execute my plan for you to escape. You will be doing this throughout the hour while still trying to survive, keep in mind. Your timing needs to be precise. If you continue on your progress throughout the hour without gathering the item, you will have no chance of escape and will die. Listen to me when I tell you what to do, and don't overthink it. The first item you need to find is a lighter. Remember, don't ask questions. You need to find and collect this item before you reboot the talk to you while the power's down. But remember, if you do not collect this item before you reboot the generator, you will die. Good luck.
Okay, so now we need a lighter. And I don't know, like, if drawers are... What's going on? I fucking suck at this game. So the next hour of footage I have is me dying a whole bunch. So this is me dying, raging, screaming, yelling, anything that falls under that category. So embrace this shit. Which one? No, 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 no. Oh! Ugh! What's up, Clutch? So Clutch, walkie-talkie. Okay. Okay. This door, yes. No, I fucking was there! I was there! Oh my god, I was fucking there! Ah! No, no, I'm gonna bug, Come on. No. Chat, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Nope. Not doing it. So, as you can tell by the way I abruptly ended the recording and through my headset and everything else, I wasn't really having a good time. So, I took a week and a half break, and this is the footage of me finally getting the good ending. I actually only took 2 tries. Yeah. I felt like my shit was low.
I don't know who this guy is, but my only option is to trust him.
Hello? The first item you need to find is a lighter. Remember, don't ask questions. You need to find and collect this item before you reboot the generator. I won't be able to talk to you while the power's down. But remember, if you do not collect this item before you reboot the generator, you will die. Good luck.
Yo. This get whoa, wow, great English. This shit's actually scary as fuck. It may not seem it sometimes. I don't know, this should be fucking with me. I gotta find. What's the thing? 8. Alright, let me just put this in real fast. Yo, lighter guy. Nice one. Alright, let's close up the vent. There's Mr. Trackhawk Twin. We have the lighter. The last one's in the bedroom. Yo, I was locked in mad hard. Pause. You know what I'm saying? And then shit just started fucking me up. So tight. So I had to step away, you know what I'm saying? Collect my thoughts. Alright, now I gotta start locking shit. He's gonna tell me to look for the gasolina. Dale gasolina. Dale gasolina. Selena, dame gasolina. I say, oh, de gasolina. Dame gasolina. It's the bathroom vent. Has to be the bathroom vent. Hopefully, I'm not fucked. Please be the bathroom vent. Ooh, actually, if it was the bathroom vent, I definitely would have been screwed. So, thank God it was that one. Alright, after this door, he's gonna tweak out on me and say, oh, like, don't lock. I repeat, don't lock.
Yes, okay. If you're currently locking something, stop. Good job finding the lighter and rebooting the generator. Now, before you lock the next power lock, you have to find some gasoline.
Matt's on.
Stop what you're doing. Do not lock. The final item you need to find is a walkie-talkie. Once you find one, you can continue the lock and finish the hour like you would usually do. After everything is locked, we won't have much time to chat. I will explain to you what you need to do, and hopefully we can execute the plan before they arrive. Good luck.
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid!
Fuck,
Ah! Go
It
crazy!
feels like that shit's getting weird, dude. Get a W grab.
Okay. You should have everything you need to execute this plan. We have very little time, but enough to where I can explain to you what you need to do. As you know, the weather outside has been raging for quite some time. This is not a normal storm. The rain that has been falling from the sky is not composed of water. It is a flammable solution, similar but weaker than gasoline. What I'm trying to say is, it won't put out a fire. It will actually feed it. The entities that have been harassing your home have a weakness. Their bodies aren't strong enough to sustain being in extreme temperatures for too long. This means they can't get near extreme heat or cold. There's one way for you to survive. As you know, there's a river not too far from the back entrance of your house. That, of course, is composed of actual water. What you need to do is drench yourself in gasoline, light yourself on fire, and flee to the river. I'm sorry, but this is the only option. I put a map up on your TV of the location of the river. If you manage to make it there, swim a while downstream and listen on your walkie-talkie once you're out. I'll try and contact you. When you're ready, pour the gasoline over your entire body, light yourself on fire, and sprint. I'm sorry. Good luck.
So just literally just right to the river. Alright. Where's the gasoline and all this good stuff? Or hopefully. Oh, there it is. He said just sprint. Just go. Just go. Where's the damn river? When who's close? Will I see him? Oh my fuck, dude, stop. No, stop. I don't like this. I don't like this. Chat, I'm not fucking with this at all. Chat, I don't like this. I don't. Was that L Screams? Was that L Screams? Yo, I can't. I'm not fucking with this, bro. Where's this river? Chat, where's the 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 river? Chat. Chat, you're lying to me. Chat, you're lying to me. Where the fuck is the river? Where's the river? Chat. You're joking. You have to be lying. Oh my fucking god. Where the fuck is the river?
I am convinced
You're
that the
fucking
government is
me.
actually under control. I don't know who this guy is, but
Where the fuck is the river? Alright, alright.
trust
Next time, no dumb shit. We're locking in. That was... I can't... Oh my god. I'm actually hot right now. No pun intended. Not time. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Where the fuck was the fucking river? I have a minute.
I trust
Where
that
the
you have
fuck
an
is the
answer to
river?
the government's phone
Yo, fuck the government, bro.
you defined as a lighter. Remember, don't ask questions. You need to find and collect this item before
Bro, chat, you're lying.
be able to talk to you on the top.
Yo, what if, like, somebody was dyslexic playing this, bro? They have a dyslexic feature? I'm not trying to be fucked up. I'm just asking. Because, like... I mean, maybe that's why I, like, no, like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm deadass not trying to be fucked up. If anyone is dyslexic, I'm sorry. It's a genuine question. Like, what would happen? Like, how would one even go about that? I don't think I hit the other door.
Okay. You should have everything you need to execute this plan.
Okay.
We have very little time.
Alright.
Where I can explain to you
Chat.
what you need to do. As you know,
I'm gonna click space and skip.
what you need to do is drench yourself
In
in
gasoline, light yourself on fire, and run to the river. Okay.
I'm sorry, but this is the only option. I put a map up on your TV of the location of the river. If you manage to make it there, swim a while downstream and listen on your walkie-talkie once you're out. I'll try and contact you. When you're ready, pour the gasoline over your entire body, light yourself on fire, and sprint.
So let's... I don't know why he's apologizing, but let's analyze this map, right? Damn. Straight out I need to go, like... I think I need to go straight out and down. I think that's the motive. Because if I go straight out, then I'm literally just going right to the fire. Straight out? Alright, yeah. Chat. Chat. We are going... So, like, judging off this map, right? If I go out the doors, down immediately, and then once I see the rest of my house, it should take me right to the river. So I think that's it. Can I unlock this door first? No. Okay. Okay, come on. So down, and then go. And then go. And then go. And then go. So I don't know when he gets close. I don't like that, bro. I did not like that. Like, bro, gave me chills. I did not like hearing that shit. Come on. Yes, chat. Let's fucking go.
Hooray!
I will find you.
That's what we fucking like, chat. Chat, that is what we fucking like. That's called resilience, okay? Put it up in the dictionary. That's how you bounce back. Big Sean, bounce back. Great song. I swam in the river called the Santrabong. Come on, bro. I fucking did that shit. I really did that shit. I don't know how my house caught on fire, but I really did that shit. Alright, tough. Hey, this beat is hard. Smoked them in a pack. Roll a minute spliff. Dunking like I'm Shaq. Oh, damn. I was feeling that beat too. Alright, let's see what we unlocked. Nice, nice. Chat, this is fire. This is fire. This is exactly what I was looking for. This is exactly what I wanted. That's it? Oh. Oh. Please, Jace, listen to me. Dot, dot, dot. Can you at least take some time to think about it? Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. Tough. Tough. We love the little fire emblem. Chat, that's fire extras. Impossible mode? Alright, we'll run one impossible mode. Alright, yo. I don't know if we'll ever be impossible mode, but it's definitely something I'll maybe try. That was stupid. Definitely something maybe. I'll try it. If I beat it, you'll see it. If I don't, you won't see it. I'm gonna try to beat it because I'm a completionist. But yeah, this game was mad fun. I hope you guys really enjoyed this whole series. And I'm gonna try to find something else to play soon. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys soon.